My name is Ronnie Turner. I'm the maintenance manager for the Cooper Consolidated division of Darrow, LaPlace, and Belle Chase area. I've been with Cooper for 35 years. I moved here in '83 and was a ship supervisor in charge of the longshoremen and the day-to-day operations, the actual loading or the discharge of the ships. And in that capacity for 5 years, and then the opportunity came up to get into maintenance. So I became maintenance supervisor in about '88, I guess it was. And then in 2000, the opportunity came up to go to Charleston, South Carolina, to open up an operation there with a couple of floating cranes. And my wife ready to come back home after 12 years, grandkids and everything growing up. So the job opened up in the same position that I had previous with the Darrow operation, so I accepted that. As the division maintenance manager, I oversee the day-to-day maintenance and also the scheduled maintenance, be it oil changes or engines, overhauls. We call it rolling stock. There's anything that moves cargo. The company's been great to me. It's given me an opportunity to have a pretty good living and meet a lot of good people. It's a great team, a good group of guys to work with, and that's what matters. The guys around you make your job easier. The whole group is work together and get things done. I love coming to work every day. It's just a challenge. I take a challenge seriously and try to do the best I can. My name is Ronnie Turner, the maintenance manager for Cooper Consolidated. We are Cooper T. Smith.